Grabe guys, naka-receive ako ng notification from Facebook na ang sabi, ang Jandigo has been unpublished. So yung page ko daw is unpublished due to community guidelines. So may nilabag daw ako. Pagka-click ko na ito, makikita mo yung page has been suspended. So sinuspend ni Facebook yung aking page. Ayan. At ang sabi, may naka-check pa dyan, good news, no violations to show. Wala naman pala akong violations pero pinatawan ako ng suspension nitong si Facebook. Community standard violations. If content on a page goes against our community standards, it can put the page at risk for restrictions. Pero ang nakalagay dyan, walang violations na maipakita. Kaya nakakaloka. Nakakaloka talaga guys. Yung restriction ko, sabi niya, your page is restricted because it didn't follow community standards. We know we're not always right, so if you think we got it wrong, you can disagree with our decision and in some cases, get the restriction removed. Your page has been unpublished due to continued community standard violation. So, continued community standard violation daw guys. Pero wala naman siyang maipakita na may na-violate ako. So, i-click natin yan. Your page has been disabled. Disabled niya talaga guys. Unpublished meaning hindi makikita ng public yung aking Facebook page. Your page has been disabled because it didn't follow our community standards. Why is your page disabled? We disabled your page because it violated our community standards. You may not be able to see all violations that led to your page being taken down. Nakakaloka. What you can do, wala naman siyang maipakita. What you can do, if you think we got it wrong, here are your options. See options? Yan, click natin yung disagree with decision. Ayan na naman siya. Your page has been unpublished. This is because Jandigo has against our community standards on account integrity and authentic identity. Authentic identity guys, lahat ng mga reels ko doon na pinost, yung mukha ko. Tapos sasabihin niya, tawag doon, authentic identity. We have this standard because we want everyone to feel safe, respected, and welcome. If your content goes against our community standards again, your account may be restricted or disabled. You can disagree with the decision if you think we got it wrong. Click continue. How we make decisions? Kaloka kayo. Basahin nyo na lang yan guys. Our technology found that your content goes against our standards. We use the same community standards around the world for everyone. Our review team and technology work in many languages to make sure our standards are applied consistently. Click continue. Our standards on account integrity and authentic identity. We don't allow people on Facebook to go against our community standard. Example of things we don't allow: creating a page that looks like it belongs to a brand or business. My God. Yung page ko guys, ako lang yun. Pretending a page has a business relationship with a business, celebrity, or public figure. Using a page to promote scams, gambling, or online pharmacies. Ay nako. Click continue. What would you like to do? Siyempre, disagree. Then click continue. You disagreed with the decision. Thank you for your feedback. We use it to improve our future decisions. Yan, click close na natin. So, ganun lang siya guys. Yan ang pag-a-appeal. Mabilis lang mag-appeal. Sana ito yung Facebook ko guys. Silipin nyo. Meron kasi akong video siguro na meron akong video reels, wait lang, na tumataas yung views. Dapat nga matuwa siya. Kasi tumataas yung views ko. Ayan, ito. Itong isang to, naninilaw ang balat ni baby. Biglang tumaas yung views niya. Tapos, nagulat na lang ako na kanina. Bigla na lang siyang pinatawan ng unpublish. Samantalang dati, gumagawa ako ng mga videos na kung paano magkakaroon ng online racket, ganyan. wala naman siyang sinasabing na violate ko yung community standards nila. Ngayon lang, nagulat talaga ako. Ngayon lang, kung kailan naman na ako, magfo-focus na ako sana sa Reels. Bigla na lang siyang pinatawan ng ganun na violation. Authentic identity, ako naman yan lahat. O mukha ko naman yan lahat. Ako naman dyan lahat. Yung mukha ko naman, wala naman akong ginamit na ibang tao. Papatawan niya ako ng ganun. Nakakaloka ka Facebook. Nakakatamad. Pag ganyan. Ilan pa lang yung videos na sinunod ko. Tapos biglang, tingnan nyo yung dashboard ko guys. Biglang taas. Tumaas kasi yung yung reach niya. Tingnan nyo, 2K% yung tinaas. Tapos 947% yung 3-second video views ko. Tapos biglang tumaas din yung net followers ko, nadagdagan siya ng plus 15. Tapos yung interactions ko mismo siguro yan, 148%. So tumaas siya talaga. Sa ko lang po yan, sa reels ko. Tapos bigla niyang papatawan ng unpublished due to authentic identity or integrity. Grabe ka naman, Facebook. So, sana nagkamali lang talaga si Facebook dun, guys. Pag-pray nyo. Bawal ba? Bawal siguro yung Kung bawal, didelete ko na lang yung ibang mga ginawa ko dating reels. Kasi may mga reels ako guys na, ganyan. Yung sa may aking pag-i-agent sa LU Casino. Ayan, yung mga reels ko dati. Pero dati pa yan. Tapos, dati hindi naman niya ako pinatawan ng Ngayon lang, nagulat ako. Siguro, biglang taas ng ko. Biglang taas ng engagement. Kaya, binatawan niya ako. Kaya sana. Your page is in review naman na. You or another admin requested the review, so someone will be taking another look at this page. Only people who manage Jandigo can see this. Sana, magkamali lang sa Facebook at ibalik na niya. Kapag unpublished kasi guys, hindi makikita ng public yung Facebook page ko. So, ito din tumaas din ng views. 2.9K. Tas, 1K. Ito lang talaga, suspect ko dyan. Biglang taas. 27.6K. Sana naman Facebook. Ayusin dahil nakaka-stress din minsan. Mabibigla na lang kami. May notification na kami na ganyan. So, yan lang guys. Update ko kayo kapag okay na yung page ko. Ayun, ang bilis. Ayun, okay na pala. Ayun, tinanggal na nila guys. Tinanggal na niya. Ang bilis lang pala. Nakita nyo yun? Tinanggal na niya. Na-review na nila agad. Natanggal na nila yung violation. Tinanggal na pala nila agad. Good news guys. Ayan, natanggal na nila. So, nagkamali lang talaga si Facebook. Hi, salamat. Salamat sa Diyos. Tinanggal niya. Na-stress ako ng very light. Ayan, tinanggal na niya guys. Thank you Facebook. Ayun lang guys, ang bilis lang palang magtanggalin yung unpublish. So, ganun lang, i-continue nyo lang, tapos mag-disagree lang kayo if ever na alam nyo na wala namang na-violate yung inyong Facebook page or your Facebook profile. So, yan lang guys, thank you. Please, follow me. Kung nagustuhan nyo din yung video na to, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and also follow my Facebook page. Thank you, bye!